The drone world is gearing up for a major transformation in 2025, and at the center of this revolution is the highly awaited DJI Mini 5 Pro. As speculation heats up, leaks and insider reports have started painting a clearer picture of what DJI's next mini marvel might offer. But the big question remains: will it truly redefine what's possible in the mini drone category, or is it just a minor leap forward? DJI Mini 5 Pro. Release timeline and expected features. Following the release patterns of previous DJI drones, such as the Air 3 and the rumored Mavic 4, it seems highly likely that the Mini 5 Pro will take flight between late June and mid-September. Industry insiders suggest a mid-August launch, which aligns with DJI's typical summer unveiling cycle. A standout feature in the rumor mill is the potential integration of LiDAR technology. This advanced sensor could significantly boost obstacle detection, especially in dim environments. Unlike the Mini 4 Pro, which housed all sensors in a single unit, early leaks show multiple separate modules on the Mini 5 Pro, possibly indicating individual LiDAR units. If confirmed, this could be a game-changer for autonomous functions like return to home, even without strong GPS coverage, camera innovations, and imaging power. When it comes to visuals, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to go beyond its predecessor. One of the most anticipated upgrades is a larger camera housing, hinting at a 1-inch 50mm sensor capable of recording 4K at 120 frames per second. This would make it the first mini drone with cinematic slow-motion capabilities. DJI has already used this kind of sensor in products like the Osmo Pocket 3, so bringing it into the Mini series seems like a logical evolution. Also, vertical video capture is expected to get a serious boost, moving past digital cropping and into true high-resolution portrait shooting. In addition, DJI may incorporate enhanced stabilization hardware, promising even smoother footage during dynamic aerial shots. For filmmakers and travel vloggers, this could be the most appealing aspect: design, aerodynamics, and performance. The Mini 5 Pro won't just be about sensors and cameras, it's also getting a structural makeover. Expect bigger motors, improved airflow with new ventilation slots, and a repositioned camera mount that sits atop the body rather than on the side. This top-mounted design could potentially offer better balance and control in the air, although it does raise concerns about camera vulnerability in case of crashes. Nevertheless, this new layout should result in more agile and responsive flight, ideal for both cinematic use and casual flying. Battery life. Pushing the limits battery upgrades are also in the spotlight. The Mini 4 Pro already offered 2 battery options, topping out at 45 minutes, but the Mini 5 Pro could push that boundary even further. Some rumors suggest a possible 50-minute flight time, which would place it ahead of all its competitors in the lightweight drone category. This extended airtime will be a major win for content creators who need longer shoots without interruptions. Built-in storage and smart features, internal storage is becoming standard in DJI drones, and the Mini 5 Pro is likely to include at least 32 GB of onboard memory. This makes it easier to record high-quality videos without depending entirely on microSD cards. What's even more intriguing is the potential addition of voice control, letting pilots issue commands hands-free. DJI might also introduce programmable flight modes, accessible through a physical button, perfect for quick adjustments mid-flight without reaching for the app or remote screen. Price point and market segment. In terms of pricing, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to slot between the Mini 4 Pro and Air 3, making it a strong contender in the mid-tier market. The standard version may start at around $850, with the Fly More combo potentially hitting $1,200. That price bracket puts it within reach of both hobbyists and semi-professional creators, offering premium features without the flagship price tag. Final thoughts. A true leader in the making. If the leaks and reports turn out to be true, the DJI Mini 5 Pro could redefine compact drone expectations in 2025. From high-end imaging and LiDAR-based navigation to smart flight modes and exceptional battery life, this drone seems built to lead, not follow. Whether you're capturing cinematic footage, shooting vlogs, or just exploring aerial photography for the first time, the Mini 5 Pro could be the ultimate choice for creators on the move. Don't forget, to subscribe to Technology in the Future for more updates on drones, AI gadgets, and everything shaping the future of tech.